Hello students, in the last videos we have already calculated the differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion. In the today's video we can obtain the expression for the acceleration, velocity, displacement of a particle performing the linear simple harmonic motion. Now firstly calculate the expression for acceleration. Now take the differential equation of linear simple harmonic motion is given by a d square x by dt square plus k upon m into x is equal to 0. A differential equation is given by d square x by dt square plus k upon m into x is equal to 0. But we know that k upon m is equal to omega square. What is the omega? Omega is the angular frequency. What is the omega? Omega is the angular frequency. Substitute this value in this equation, then we'll get d square x by dt square plus omega square x is equal to 0. Say that the equation number first. Now again write down the equation. D square x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x. But we know that a is equal to d square x by dt square. What is the d square x by dt square? Actually d square x by dt square is equal to a. And what is the a? A is the acceleration of a particle performing the linear simple harmonic motion. Now from the equation first we can write d square x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x and say that the equation number second. Then again substitute the value. Which value? D square x by dt square d square x by dt square is equal to a. Then we'll get finally expression for acceleration. Substituting this value is a is equal to minus omega square x, and this is the expression for acceleration. Then next is the expression for velocity. Actually we know that acceleration of particle is given by the a is equal to dv by dt. A is equal to dv by dt and is equal to minus omega square x. But dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. dv by dt is equal to minus omega square x. Put this value. dv by dx into dx by dt is equal to minus omega square x. But this dx by dt is the v. Therefore again write down the equation. V in bracket dv by dx is equal to minus omega square x. Now take the integral, then we'll get integral of v into dv and then the dx to the right side, then we'll get minus omega square into integral of x into dx. Then integral of v into dv is given by the v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square is the constant, therefore write down only minus omega square. Then integral of x dx. This integral of x dx is given by in x square by 2 plus constant c. But x is equal to a and v is equal to 0. Keeping this value in equation 3, then we'll get 0 is equal to, what is the v square by 2? V is the 0, therefore 0 divided by 2 is the 0, then is equal to minus omega square. X square is the put a, therefore minus omega square a square divided by 2 plus c. Again keeping this value in equation 3, then we'll get v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square into x square by 2 plus omega square a square by 2. Here put the value of c. What is the c? C is equal to omega square a square by 2. Then 2 cancel here and remaining term write down. V square is equal to omega square, this omega square a square, this omega square a square minus omega square x square. then v square is equal to omega square, take the common, then remaining term write down in bracket, omega square in bracket a square minus x square. Final equation for the velocity of particle performing the linear simple harmonic motion is given by v square is equal to omega square into a square minus x square. Okay, now next expression for displacement. Then for calculating the expression for displacement, here we have the equation v is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. Then dx by dt is equal to omega into square root of a square minus x square. Then dividing dx into square root of a square minus x square is equal to omega into dt. Take the integral. Integral of dx by square root of a square minus x square is equal to integral of omega dt. But integral of dx by square root of a square minus x square is given by the sine inverse x by a is equal to omega t plus phi. Integral of omega dt is given by omega t plus phi. Again this x by a sine into is equal to x divided by a is equal to sine into omega t plus phi, where phi is called the constant of integration, and therefore x is equal to a into sine omega t plus phi, and this is the expression for displacement. Okay, thank you.